What is going on? It's Chill Trader. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn about crypto, NFTs, DeFi, Metaverse, and all those kind of stuff, futures trading, spot trading, make sure to hit that like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my important crypto and trade updates. So let's check what is going on with the overall crypto market today. And Ethereum merge is coming tomorrow. So let's check, guys, where are we heading in the coming days? Right, so let me pull up my screen here. That's me. Crypto bubble, we have ETC. I just came home, so went on live right away so we can give you some of the crypto market updates. So we have some VIPs who are looking for me the entire day. I was out because I bought this new Bitcoin here. Bitcoin. So we have ETC. Watch out for ETC, LDO, Ethereum tomorrow. These are the cryptos. Polygon Matic. These are the cryptos that will be affected by the Ethereum merge. So we don't know, but the one thing that is sure, there will be volatility on this list of cryptos. ETC, LDO, Polygon Matic. Watch out as well for Chainlink. If Ethereum will pump, most of these cryptos will pump together with Ethereum. But if there will be sell the news event tomorrow, most of this will be affected as well. ETC is moving similar to Ethereum, only faster. So watch out for this crypto, guys. Fear and greed index, back to fear. Last week we are on the extreme fear level. Oh no, my phone is about to die. So let me check who are watching the stream right now. 2%. So we have Suham, we have Ray France, Opilas, welcome to the live stream. We have the Gambler, Suham the Gambler. We have also Shams Ula, hello, how are you doing, guys? We have Jacopo Kokia, welcome to the stream. We have Wondering 134, hey chill, I am Tasneem. Shout out, please, shout out to Wondering 134, Tasneem. All right. So welcome, guys, to the live stream. Let me just I need a charger here. One sec. Let me remove this from the camera. Hope it will not die. So we have monitor here so I can check some of the chats. Let's proceed with long and short position, guys. Long and short position. We have here in the past 5 minutes almost 50-50. So I hope you have you were able to catch some of the trades in the VIP. Very busy this entire week, guys. I have some friends coming into the house, also trading at the same time, doing some meetings and some partnership with a lot of exchanges. So we have MEXC, guys, MEXC. Watch out for MEXC if you want to. This will be the next crypto exchange. Right now they have zero maker fees in spot trading pairs. So if you are huddling for long term, you might as well use or download MEXC Global. You can use my link in the description down below. How to win? We have Romulus here, the previous winner of the $10. Watch out, guys. I'm gonna give out $10, $20, $30, and also watch out for MEXC. I had an announcement earlier for MEXC. If you wanna grab $25 here, you can head on to, let's check this link if this is correct. So we have a promotion, get a $25 USDT airdrop and entry into a $1,000 giveaway. All you have to do is just to create an account, head on to MEXC or download using my referral link in the description down below. Create an account, register using my referral link, and you can get 25 USDT airdrop and an entry to $1,000 giveaway. The event will end in 22 days and 22 hours. All right. Congratulations to the previous winner, Romulo7979. So watch out, guys. I'm gonna be posting giveaways soon. I'm just very busy this entire week. I had several meetings, so after we settle down, I will be giving out some giveaways. So let's go back to long and short ratio here, almost 50-50. Let's check 4-hour time frame. We have mostly in shorts, 51, 55%. Mostly are in shorts. Let's check the amount of liquidation in the past 4 hours. Mostly shorts, almost 50-50, 53% short has been liquidated at around $6.61 million. The market has been very choppy this past few days. That is why we had few trades in the VIP. But nonetheless, if the market returns, if we can get some proper or good entry point, I will be posting it right away in the futures channel. So I hope most of the VIP are watching right now, so I can give you some of the updates. And let's check some of the chart requests. We have Maita Martina, welcome to the stream. So let's check the past 24 hours. 71% long position has been liquidated. And by the way, guys, before we proceed with our chart, let me give you a quick disclaimer. The information provided on this channel is based on my personal opinion and for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the channel's content as such. I do not recommend any cryptocurrency should be bought, sold, or held by you. Do conduct your own research and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decision. All right. So 71% long position has been liquidated. We will see 22K again. Let's check the chart if we can get a pump before we head on to final destination. Could you please share Rune chart? Let's check later on if we still have time. So we are going to check the major charts that we are monitoring in the past month. We have S&P 500, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some of the major altcoins. So let's check also Rune if we still have time today. Luna, have you seen the news about Do Kwon? There is an arrest warrant for Do Kwon, and 3 of them is already wanted in Korea, right? Korea. So they are the authorities are looking for them right now. So Luna or Luna Classic is now abandoned project, and it is solely handled by the community. So let's check, where is Luna heading? Is Luna heading back to zero? I am still on short position, guys. So let's check the chart. S&P 500, or we have some news here. Let's check first the news before we head on to the chart very quickly. Analyst on 17,000 Bitcoin price bottom. Bitcoin not yet there. It may be a case so near yet so far when it comes to June multi-year low being the next BTC price floor, warns Willy Woo. If you know Willy Woo, guys, he is the one who have published the reason about the crash last year April, when there was an outage in China. So the hash rate dropped, and Willy Woo was the first who have posted about the hash rate and the power outage in China. Bitcoin market behavior is not yet synonymous with previous bear market bottom, one of the leading crypto analysts argues in a Twitter thread. On September 14, statistician Willy Woo, creator of data resource Woobull, offered 3 examples of why BTC should still have further to fall. So if you are in a long position, based on this article, he's telling that bottom is not yet there. Despite many calling a new macro price bottom during June's trip to 17,600, not everyone is confident that Bitcoin will avoid a retest. For Wu, there is still reason to believe that lower levels will mark the new price floor, and this could be anywhere including below 10,000. My goodness. Let me know your possible bottom target price for Bitcoin. Based on this document, guys, is telling that it is likely that Bitcoin will hit 10,000. So are you ready for the 10,000 Bitcoin or even below? Underwater, supply short of a bottom zone. One metric Wu flags is the percentage of the overall BTC supply held at a loss, now worth more than the price of which it last moved. In the previous bear market, price bottom coincide with more than 60% of the coin being underwater. In terms of max pain, the market has not felt the same pain as prior bottom. I think we haven't seen the bottom yet. If you were there in the previous bear market, I think we are already in the midway, but I think we are still going to see one more dip before we head on to a small rally, 1 year rally, and then we drop another to revisit the previous bottom, and then we proceed with the bull market. That is based on the previous price action and the previous chart of Bitcoin, in my own experience and in my own analysis. So watch out for that. I'm gonna update you when I think we have hit the bottom, and I'm gonna share when I'm buying spot. As what I told you previously, I have already huddled Bitcoin at 18,500. That's my current average. I have bought Ethereum sub 1,000, sold it at 2,000 level. Polygon Matic, I have sold it at 0.96, bought it at around 0. Most of them, like Ethereum, have already doubled. So from 1,000 has reached 2,000. That's already 1x. I've sold most of my Ethereum. Also Polygon Matic, I've sold all my Polygon Matic. If I can get a lower entry or a better entry, I'm gonna post it on Twitter and I'm gonna share it in the VIP. So based on this news or article, in terms of max pain, the market has not felt the same prior pain as prior bottoms, he warned alongside a chart from on-chain analytics Glassnode. According to the chart, 52% of the supply is currently in a loss. So previously, when we hit the bottom, 60% of the coins being held is in a loss. Right now we are at 52%. The supply is currently at a loss, and in order to hit the 60% mark, BTC would need to dip to 9,600. My goodness. Let's check if we're going to hit 60% mark as the previous bottom, and that will be around 9,600 to around $10,000. Mostly are calling $10,000 bottom. I have my own analysis for the possible bottom price of Bitcoin. Feel free to check it out in my previous video, and also the possible bottom date target for Bitcoin. In the previous dip, I have exactly bought at 30,000. Last drop, I have went all in at 30,000, sold at 65,000. Another chunk of my long-term portfolio sold at 45,000. Now I have bought Bitcoin at 18.5, Ethereum at 1,000, sub 1,000, sold at 2,000. Right now I'm waiting for another dip. I'm gonna update you on Twitter. Make sure you turn on the notification, also here on the live stream and in the VIP. So that's for Bitcoin, guys. Based on this article, we have not yet seen the bottom. Right now, 52% of long-term holder are in a loss. In the previous bear market, 60% have marked the bottom of the bear market. 60% of long-term holder are in a loss. That will be the mark of the bottom price of Bitcoin. All right. Let me give you a quick ad from BITGET before we proceed with the chart. 5 reasons why you should open an account in BITGET. BITGET new and improved 2.0 platform, seamless user experience, responsive and optimized design for all digital devices. Open, close, set TP and stop loss using the drag and drop feature. BGB BITGET's native token. Use it as trading fee discounts, launchpad privilege, Groupon, super airdrops, money tree privilege, and BGB earn. Deposit, hold, earn up to 6% annual percentage yield. Buy crypto with credit cards, Apple Pay, or Google Pay, using the most trusted payment infrastructure in the world of crypto. BITGET received regulatory licenses in Australia, Canada, and in the US. So what are you waiting for? Download BITGET. The link is in the description down below. Alright, so that's for BITGET, guys. Watch out to the BITGET users, especially if you download BITGET using my referral link. I will be giving out giveaways. I have the list of the UIDs of the user that downloaded using the referral link in the description down below. I will be giving out some giveaways to the community in the coming weeks and months during the bear market. All right, guys. So let's proceed with the chart. S&P 500 update. Yesterday, we have discussed this falling broadening wedge. Exactly, S&P 500 got rejected here. The white line, previous resistance or previous support, turned into a resistance, and also this is in confluence with the resistance trend line here. We have a smaller falling broadening wedge, and right now this looks very bearish, guys. This should be the support that needs to hold this red line at 4,000 level. Right now, S&P 500 have dropped below this support. This is looking bearish to me, and if you're going to zoom out, we have also a bigger falling broadening wedge here, and watch out for this support level. If this breaks down, it is likely that S&P 500, Bitcoin, and the rest of the altcoin is going to drop together with S&P 500. If you have checked the traditional stock today, NASDAQ, Dow Jones, S&P 500, congratulations to the have you seen the tweet of Donald Trump today about Joe? So most of the stocks were down, all in red, including crypto. We have seen some of the altcoin that have pumped, but usually if this drop to the next support, guys, expect Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the rest of the altcoin that will drop together with Bitcoin. Earlier, I have shared ADA. That's for S&P 500. I have shared this ADA chart, guys. So why did we long? One of the reason why is, let me share you some. One of the reason why is the event Vassal Hard Fork is happening on September 22. It is an upgrade for the Cardano network or ADA network. So the narrative is, I think, similar to what happened to Ethereum. Before the merge, we have seen a rally. Guys, prior to Ethereum merge. I'm going to show you later on the chart of Ethereum. So these are the dates. Tomorrow, Ethereum merge or mainnet Ethereum 2.0 is coming. Let's check the time countdown here in Cointelegraph. Oh, no. Coin market cap. Ethereum merge, 11 hours and 10 minutes. Watch out for Ethereum merge, guys. We have seen some whales already transferred some of their Ethereum from a known wallet back to the exchanges. So one reason for that is to sell. So watch out for this event, Ethereum merge, happening 11 hours, estimated 9:11 a.m. So let me share this to the VIPs and on Twitter. Very quickly. Let me know, guys, what coins are we trading today? Maybe you can check it out. We can do some live trades here. So Ethereum merge, 11 hours at around 9:11 a.m. Watch out for this date. Write it down and let's ride the waves, guys. Let's ride the waves. So for ADA, the reason why we have long this is because of the Vassal Hard Fork. This was actually a perfect position. I have shared this in the VIP. So here's the trade, guys. ADA, long entry, 3% risk. Vassal Hard Fork scheduled September 22. We might see a pump before the sell the news event. So we have a long position here in the VIP, and here are some of the trade results. Short Lunk and BINGX. Let's see. I'm still holding my my Luna Classic short position. BINGX, I'm still holding my short. I have taken profit 50% at around 150%, and I have adjusted my stop loss a little bit above my entry point, but I think the trade is still open if my stop loss wasn't hit. Also, Luna Classic, I'm still holding my short position. Later I'm going to check the chart. I haven't watched the chart the entire day. So this is for ADA, guys. Long position here. This is the reason for this is the Vassal Hard Fork happening on September 22. So if there will be FOMO, and I know there is a lot of community about Cardano. If you tweet about Cardano, a lot of bots. I don't know if it's bots or real community, but there are a lot of replies. And if you're going to do a survey that involving Cardano, it will be flooded by the supporters, or I don't know if it's bots. But I'm still on long position on ADA. I'm expecting most of the targets here. White lines are the TP zone. So TP zone 1 has been hit. This is around 3% trade from the entry point. 5% trade, that is very good. If you're using 75% leverage, that is already 350%. So I'm still expecting ADA. We have a support trend line here. Let's check. No. So This is the daily time frame. Let's check the 4-hour time frame. Looks like we have a trend line. Looks like a breakdown. So this looks like we have a support trend line here. Looks like a breakdown and a retest of support in confluence with the 200-day moving average. So be careful with the long position, guys. This looks like a breakout to the downside, retest of support right now in confluence with the 200-day moving average. So if you're still holding the long position, guys, take some profit, adjust the stop loss back to entry. Not a financial advice. If you are not in the VIP, I will be giving update in the VIP about this trade. And so right now, this might be a retest of the previous support, guys. So breakout to the downside, retest of support in confluence with the 200-day moving average here. So this could still move back to this stop loss here. But also we need to consider that there is a Vassal hard fork upgrade, guys. So if there will be FOMO, this might continue its move to the upside. So my trade setup here is I will take some 50% right now, and I'm gonna adjust my stop loss back to my entry point for ADA, just to make sure that we have already taken profit and to minimize the risk and avoid some losses. So that's for the that's for ADA. Let's move on to Bitcoin. Wow, I hope my Bitcoin, I have done several trades, guys, about Bitcoin today. Almost 5 trades. 20,000 is my entry. I've done 5 trades, I think, today. 20,000, let's check. This is Binance, but I'm using BITGET. I have done several trades in BITGET. Entry point 20,000, exactly 20,000. Here, I've done several trades today. I think 3 or 4 trades. So my entry is at 20,000 and I'm selling it at around 20,300. I'm sure I have done 3 or 4 trades today, and right now I have another entry point at $20,000. That's in BITGET. So if you're using BITGET, guys, I have done several trades. Entry point 20,000. I'm selling at 20,300. Doing several scalps today. So here, let's check the daily time frame for Bitcoin and a possible price target in the coming days. So this was the previous short entry point, guys. If you have watched the previous stream, I have discussed that possible short position here, but it didn't hit the short entry point, but instead this got rejected from the key level resistance. So if you have watched the previous stream, a riskier short entry will be this key level resistance. Safer short entry will be this short entry here at around 23,400. So I have a short position at around this area, 22,500. I have closed my trade at around 20,000, I think, or 21,000. I've shared it in the VIP yesterday. So I have closed my trade early, and I have done several trades here at 20,000 to 20,300. If you are in the VIP, wait for my trade update. Right now the market is still very choppy. Let's wait for the Ethereum merge result. I'm still holding my short position. I've shared it on Twitter. Here, let me show it to you. I think it might go down from here. You're correct. I agree with you. What time? Oh, all right. So here's one trade, guys. Let me just share it with you, just to let you know that I am sharing my exact position here, not only on Twitter, but also in the VIP. So I have shared this position September 13. September 13, that was yesterday. That was yesterday. Is it correct? No. This is new. So here. Here. This is the original post, guys. September 12, I have shared my position here. 1766. Sell the news for Ethereum. I have also shared this in the VIP. Later, I'm going to show you some very important trade setups. So watch out and stay tuned for the rest of the video. So this was a previous short entry, guys. Ethereum, I'm still holding my Ethereum at 1,200% right now. As what we have discussed in the previous stream, I think there will be sell the news during the Ethereum merge, because the next update will be on December. And the narrative is there's no expectation after the merge. So I think the money will flow back to Bitcoin or either some of the altcoin, or there will be total sell the news because of the current economic and macro events and status. Inflation, DXY is shooting to the moon right now. So that's for Ethereum, guys. This was my previous short entry point that I've shared on Twitter. Same as BINGX, I have shared my BINGX trade yesterday. So here's the update, guys, from 1766, exactly the tip of this big red candle here is my short entry point for Ethereum. 1766. So here's the update, guys. Here's the update. This was the reason why we have seen a drop. If you are not aware, the US inflation rate declined less than expected at 8.3% in August, likely keeping the Fed on track for another big rate hikes. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe if you're enjoying this kind of content, and if you appreciate this kind of content, please support the channel by clicking that like and subscribe for the YouTube algorithm. Also for BitGet, guys, 0 spot trading fees. So here's some of the trade updates, guys. So for Ethereum, 800% right now, it's at 1,200% short position. DXY is bouncing from the support here. This is also one of the reasons why Bitcoin and the rest of the altcoin is dropping. When DXY pump, I will show you the chart later on. So this was a previous chart that I have shared yesterday on Twitter. Bullish engulfing candle here. So let's check what's the update with DXY. These are the charts that you need to watch out daily if you're trading futures. DXY, S&P 500, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Watch this daily before you trade even other altcoins, guys. If you are into futures trade, you should be watching this. Not only this chart, but also use CoinGlass. This is a very important tool. You can check the amount of long and short position, the amount of liquidation here, and if you are trading smaller time frame, you can also use, this is not a paid ad by CoinGlass, but I find them very useful. Here, you can also check order book. You can check the amount and the price of BTC in this order book. This includes several exchanges. So most of the exchanges order book are included in this chart or in this data here. So these are the tools that I'm using. Combined it with the news, Plus, you can check the current events in CoinMarketCal. Now you have all the proper tools to trade the market, guys, and to navigate the market. Don't navigate the market blindly. Check what are the upcoming events, what is happening, so you will be aware. So right now, I am already in position with the Ethereum merge, guys. So if there will be sell the news, I am already up by 1,200%. Even if they will pump Ethereum, I will not be in a loss. But if there will be sell the news event, I am going to harvest a huge amount of gains because I am already sitting 1,200% in a short position. So the next narrative, I think, will be Luna Classic. Do Kwon is about to get arrested. Luna Classic project is abandoned right now. It is handled totally by the community. So what do you think? There will be, here's Luna Classic chart. I am still in short. My stop loss will be around this area. I'm still holding my short. Expect volatility. My target will be around the support here. This is the 4-hour time frame. If you're going to check the RSI in the daily time frame, this is already on the oversold area, so we might get some bounce. I will keep my stop loss here, but if you're going to check the MACD, this is ready for a correction here. So the blue line already crossed the orange line, which is a bearish signal here, and I'm expecting Luna Classic to revisit these white areas here. I've shared this chart in the VIP. Feel free to check it out. I'm still holding my short position, guys. If there's no Do Kwon, nothing will happen to Luna. And if this will pump, this will be primarily handled by the whales, or it's being manipulated. So there's no reason why that this will pump back up to even $1. It's impossible, and I don't know what's the reason for Luna Classic to pump back up to even $1. So right now I'm shorting it because of the news that Do Kwon is already being arrested or having the warrant of arrest. So let's check what will happen in the coming days. I will keep holding my short position. I have already DCA'd into my short. So right now my entry is at 0.00003 for Luna Classic. So going back to Bitcoin, currently trading at 19,700, poking this orange support here. We had a previous long position here. If you are in the VIP, this was a very good long entry point. And right now, BTC, watch out for the daily candle close. If the daily candle close below this orange line, 19,500, expect a further move to the downside. Here, this was the previous support here, support on this level. Previous support here. Let me remove all these white lines, guys. This was the target for this long position here. So let me remove all of this. So if you can see the left channel or the left-sided chart here, this serves as a very good support for Bitcoin. Let's check if this continues to hold. So what you can see, the price have bounced near the orange line or the support line here. How many minutes right now? We are 43 minutes live. So for Bitcoin, guys, let's make this fast. If the daily candle closes below the orange line, we might see further drop to the downside. My target will be around 18,600 and up to 17,000 18,000, this area here. This will be possible bounce target. In the VIP, we still have one trade there for a medium term to long term trade. Check it out in the futures trade channel. That's a trade for Bitcoin, guys. So this is the level that we need to watch out today. Next is Ethereum. Let's check Ethereum. Where's Ethereum? What else do we have? APE. Ethereum. Let's check Ethereum. Where's Ethereum? Right, so here's, oh my goodness. So Ethereum already trading below this support line, yellow line. So expect a further move to the downside. I'm still expecting, again, I will repeat for 100th time. I'm expecting a sell the news event. And in the previous video, if you have been watching the stream, I've told you that this could be a very good short entry point, resistance line here. I'm still holding my short position. Legend BNX, please. Let's check BNX afterwards before we end the stream. So for Ethereum, guys, I'm still expecting long term. I'm still expecting Ethereum to hit 1,250. This was the previous support. We still doesn't have a retest here. This is still empty in this area. So if Ethereum breaks this support, guys, I'm expecting Ethereum to revisit the zone support at 1,200 level. So I'm expecting this area to get revisited in the future, in the coming days. Watch out, Ethereum merge is coming tomorrow. I'm still holding my short position for Ethereum. Where's the chart? One sec, guys. I press the previous. So here. Daily candle close below the support or the yellow line, 1,580. We might see further drop to the downside. I'm expecting the first target will be 1,440 or this support here at 1,420 area. If this doesn't hold, we don't have much trade in this area here. I'm expecting a sharp drop back to 1,250 if Ethereum breaks down below this 1,420 area. All right. So watch out for the price action. Tomorrow is going to be very exciting for Ethereum, LDO, ETC, OP, watch Polygonmatic. So 5 cryptos you need to watch out tomorrow. These 5 cryptos will be very volatile tomorrow. So that's for Ethereum. Let's check BNX before we end the stream for Maita Martina. We have also Zachary Naim. What's the best entry to short now? Right now, it's not the best time to short because this is right now sitting on a support. Here, if you can check the left-sided chart, this was holding as a support here. So not a good time to short if you are not in a short position. So right now, we need to wait for the next market direction and for the Ethereum merge update. If you want to do a quick trade, be careful. Market tomorrow will be very volatile. So if you want to set a short position, your stop loss will be more than 5% here for Ethereum. You can set your stop loss above this last candle wick here at around 4%. Or even until here 1657 for Ethereum. So let's check BNX, guys. BNX, we have a previous short position here. Stop loss was hit. I've shared another entry point in the VIP, and I'm still holding my short position for BNX. I'm still in a gain. Let me check. I'm 87% or 90% down right now, 90% up right now for BNX. Let me share it with you in the Telegram group, my entry point. So here's my entry point, guys. Let's check what will be the next target for BNX. Previously, I have shorted BNX from this point here, 146, down to 113. Now, what will be the next target? Let's check. Here's my entry point here for BNX. 160 is my entry point for BNX. So my next target will be, let's delete this chart first. So we have a support trend line here, very nice support trend line. Very nice support trend line. And also we have a trend line here. So I'm expecting BNX, this will be the first support and target for a correction, guys. So if you're going to zoom out, bigger time frame, this is very volatile. This crypto is very volatile. So what you can see here, one daily time frame candle from 100 have pumped by almost 44%. This is high risk trade. But also my target, this is my short entry point here, 160. My short entry point. So this was my short entry point. My first target will be this area here. So if you're following the trade, guys, this will be the target, but this will be medium to long term, because as what you can see here in the previous price action and the previous chart, we have seen a pump and then a slowly move to the downside here. We have this move slowly to the downside. Similar here, we have seen a pump, then slow move to the downside. So I'm expecting here, this have pumped from the support trend line. We have a support trend line here. Support trend line, resistance trend line. Let's put it here. Resistance trend line. If you're going to check the RSI in the daily time frame, guys, this is already overextended. Same with MACD. This is already overextended, guys. So a little bit of patience. RSI, stochastic RSI, is already in the overbought area. So eventually this will revisit the oversold area. This one here, and this have marked the top. Another one here, this have marked the top, and another one here, this have marked the top, and eventually this revisited the over sold area. Same here, similar here. So this have reached the oversold area or the overbought area, and then revisited the oversold area for the RSI. Right now we are on this level. Similar with the MACD, it's already overextended to the upside. A little bit of patience. Target will be this area here. Stop loss, if you can set your stop loss just above at around 167, so minimize your risk and set your stop loss according to your risk appetite. My target for medium to long term will be back to the support trend line here. So that's for BINGX, guys. Thanks for joining me. Let's check who are still watching the stream. Watch out for the giveaways for the BitGet user and for MEXC Global. We will be doing some giveaways. $22 zero maker fees right now for MEXC Global, and also get 25 USDT airdrop and entry into a $1,000 giveaway exclusive deposit campaign for Chill Traders community. During the event period, only user who register with MEXC through this unique page will be eligible for the bonus. Click on the button below to create an account. So you need to click this button here, or you can register using my referral link in the description down below to be eligible for the 25 USDT airdrop and an entry to $1,000 giveaway. So guys, be careful, trade safely, protect your asset at all times. Watch out for tomorrow Ethereum merge, ETC, OP, LDO, Polygon Matic, and Ethereum will be very volatile tomorrow. Be careful with your trades. Protect your asset at all times. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.